Hey everyone, welcome back to Shib. Watch out for whales. In 1 week, $100 can be changed into 250,000 Shiba Inu coins. Shib news: unfortunately, Shiba Inu prices have been going down lately. However, the burn rate has gone up a lot in March compared to February. As was said, one of the main reasons for this trend is the still notorious Kuyo project, which was built on Shibarium. The only thing we know for sure about the project so far is that it will be built on Shibarium. It's a decentralized finance project that wants to give people a place to use DeFi apps for things like loan, borrowing, and staking. We will talk about whale alert in this movie. In a week, it can turn $100 into 250,000 Shiba Inu coins. Today's Shib news. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu. Let's start the video right away. You can pay for things on the site with the Kuyo token, which is its own cryptocurrency. The Kuyo project is also getting interest, especially for its SHIB burns. The project had burned a huge 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which is about $50,000 as of Monday. Kuyo isn't done yet. Kuyo burned an extra 733.02 million Shib on Tuesday. The tokens were sent to Shiba Inu's old bank. This means that Kuyo is once again mostly to blame for yesterday's Shib burn. More than 758.95 million Shiba Inus have been burned in the last 24 hours. But only about 25 million were burned by other people or groups with Etherscan. We can see that Kuyo's address still has 3.11 billion Shib, which is about $3.4 million. In this way, Kuyo could make a big difference in the recovery of Shib burns. There was a hint about this on Twitter today from Kentano, the founder of Kuyo. He said that Kuyo could burn Shib with half of the money it made. It was only 350.1 million SHIB that were burned in 128 different transactions in February through community-led burn initiatives. The number of these was much lower than it was in January of the previous year. There were 223 deals that lost about 1.1 billion Bitcoin. The number of burns looked a lot better before February. In December 2022, 349 deals used up to 0.07 billion Shib. In November, 1.92 billion SHIB were burned in 381 transactions. In October, 9.05 billion Shib were burned in 2,433 transactions. On the one-day chart, SHIB is at a very important point right now. Since the beginning of February, the price has been trying to break out of the decline channel. First, it needs to break the 200-day exponential moving average EMA, which is just above it. Only then will it be possible to leave negative territory. The 200-day EMA is at 0.00001173, and a daily close above this price could confirm that SHIB is going up in the middle term. It is hard to say what the future price of any coin will be because the market is so volatile and there are many things that can affect its price. But it is possible to guess what SHIB will be worth in 2023 based on current market trends and research. Wallet Investor says that by the end of 2023, SHIB's price will have gone up to 0.000195. This statement is based on the idea that more people will start using SHIB, and the cryptocurrency market will continue to rise. There is another price prediction from Coin Price Forecast that says Shib could hit 0.00001560 by the end of 2023. This guess comes from looking at how the price of SHIB has changed over time and the overall direction of the market. It's important to remember that these predictions are just that, predictions. They give you an idea of how the price of Shib might move. The price of Shib could change a lot in the future because the coin market is very unstable. This year's National Puppy Day falls at the same time that Shiba Inu are getting a lot of attention on social media. In honor of National Puppy Day on March 23rd, Binance US recently talked about Shiba Inu. The exchange was trying to honor the K9-themed digital asset, which has become famous around the world thanks to its potential and the hard work of its community. To honor National Puppy Day, the official Binance US Twitter account posted pictures of some of the team's furry friends. In a separate tweet, the account also shared a picture of a puppy named Masha wearing GAN clothes with the Binance logo and the Shiba Inu brand embroidered on it. In the United States, National Puppy Day is celebrated every year to honor dogs and urge people to adopt them from animal shelters. Every year it happens on March 23rd. Colleen Page, an expert on pet lifestyles and animal behavior, came up with the idea for the day in 2006. Today is National Puppy Day in the crypto world, a time to celebrate the rise of canine-themed digital assets like Shiba Inu. These assets began as jokes but have since become some of the most popular cryptocurrencies by creating a sense of community and belonging. When Shiba Inu came out in August 2020, it was created by someone or a group of people going by the name Ryoshi. The asset quickly became well known around the world, rising above other well-known digital assets to become the 14th biggest crypto asset by market cap. This year's party happens at the same time that Shiba Inus are socializing more because the excitement about their Shibarium network keeps growing. Lunar Crush showed that SHIB's social activity recently reached 47.88K, which is the highest level in 3 months. When the Shibarium beta first came out, people in the community asked for guidance on the network. Yesterday, the administrator of the Shibarium group said that developers have finished writing the documentati on, but that the content is now being checked to make sure it is right. Shiba Launcher brings new, groundbreaking technology to the Shibarium network that will change how people can participate in the early stages of token sales and help the ecosystem grow. The ideal launchpad is going to put its cutting-edge technology on the Shibarium blockchain. This technology is meant to change the rules for early-stage token sales. It will help Shiba Inu project creators raise money in a safe and decentralized way, making sure that investors only put money into legitimate IDO launches. Shiba Launcher, the well-known IDO launchpad run by the community, is making waves in the DeFi space and also setting itself up to be a star on the Shibarium network when it's decentralized. IDO launchpad platform goes live. Shiba Launcher wants to become the best DeFi platform by putting in emphasis on openness, usability, and community participation. We believe that the Shiba Launcher ecosystem has the potential to transform the DeFi space, and we are excited to continue working on our project and exploring new ways to make participation in early-stage token sales on the Shibarium network more accessible and secure for everyone, said Hiro Kijao, Shiba Launcher's lead developer. Shiba Launcher has started the pre-sale of its utility and governance token Shila. Investors can take part in the pre-sale with at least 10 million Shib and hold the native token of the Shiba Launcher community. Investors are excited about Shiba Launcher's ability to make them money without them having to do anything like stake. The project has quickly gained a strong following, and the DeFi market is growing quickly. This means that Shiba Launcher is set to become a major player in this area. Shiba Launcher has many features for people who own its own coin, Shila, and for project founders who want to get their projects off the ground on the Shibarium blockchain. These features include a sure allocation for Shila holders to take part in trustworthy IDOs on Shibarium, farming pools, the asset bridge protocol, the ability to create tokens, stake tokens, and have a say in how the Shila tokens are used. Shiba Launcher wants to boost the digital economy in the Shibarium ecosystem by making it easy for users to start their projects and make their ideas come to life. Since Shiba Inu's Shibarium beta release, there has been a huge whale move. A lot of SHIB tokens, worth about $163 million, have been moved from Crypto.com, a big cryptocurrency exchange, to an unknown wallet through a number of transactions. Also, not many people know about the deal yet, which makes the Shib army confused. Whale Alert, a blockchain tracker and analytics tool, says that an unknown Ethereum address sent a huge amount of SHIB to a self-custody wallet over the course of 6 transactions. This big whale deal happened on March 20th between 9:06 a.m. and 9:38 a.m. UTC, though each move was a little different. The changed meme tokens were worth about $263 million at the time this article was written, but all the Shiba Inu tokens that were moved are now kept at a different address. That's all for today. It's important that you hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos.